Hi everyone, so this is a demonstration for how to upload records from the community zone into an ebook portfolio in the case that some of the records do not load. So there are a couple steps that took place before this video, and that is I did download all of the records from the Gale website. Gale will provide you the MARC records when you buy ebooks. However, after I loaded it, Alma sends you a report with how many records were not uploaded. Now, presumably the reason why they're not uploaded is because these records already exist in the community zone or the network zone. And so rather than upload a duplicate record into the system, there is a process where you add them from the community zone. And that is what I'm going to demonstrate now. So here we have the complete list of records. And what I had to do before this was cross-reference the portfolios from the job that I ran and look at those titles, cross-reference, and then check the box for the ones that were not on the list. And after I did that, I identified these four were the remaining titles that do not have portfolios within this electronic collection yet. So now I'm going to show how to add them. So here we are looking at the electronic collection. We are going to edit the collection. We're going to go down here to the full text, and we are going to edit the full text in the portfolio list. So you go here to the tab under portfolios, and then you need to take the ISBN from Gale's list of your newly purchased books and find the record. Now we are going to add the record from the community. So we want to try to find it in the community. I'm going to put in the ISBN. I think that's the quickest way to find the record. Here it is. You select it. We are going to activate the selected portfolio. And now we can see it's been successfully added and activated as part of this portfolio. Now you can look for it again over here. And from here you can test access to make sure that it's really going to load. You can display it in a new window. And then within about 5 minutes you should be able to search for it within Primo and find it. It will be activated, but sometimes it does take a few minutes. And that's it.